if you want to have app ratings enabled within your app, you can change this setting or activate the setting here in App Design. Again, in the general settings, in the advanced settings, you need to scroll down here straight until the end of the advanced settings, and there you have the app rating dialog. In order to enable it, you need to hit this checkbox here, and to trigger these app rating dialog, we have two potential triggers. One is days and the other is sessions. So as you are allowed to display this app rating dialog twice per year, this is a restriction from Apple. It makes sense to not show them quite briefly, quite quickly after one another, but maybe let a few months pass so that your customers can test the app and then give an app rating later on as well. So you could, for example, say that the app rating dialog is shown after like 10 days for the first time, or, and this is the connection between sessions and days, or after a certain amount of sessions. So for example, if I leave the sessions to 10 and the days also to 10, the first one to be reached will trigger the event. So if I open the app 10 times before the 10-day counter has been reached, so let's say in the first 3 days I open the app more than 10 times, then within the 10th time the app rating dialog will trigger. Alternatively, if I don't open the app more than 10 times and the 10-day limit is reached and I open it, for example, for the 5th time, but the 10th day has been reached, then the app rating dialog will trigger as well. For the second show of the app rating dialog, the trigger is the same. Again, days and session, and the one which is reached earlier will trigger the app rating dialog.